New torch down rubber roof, 5513 Marshall Street. Just partial of the way. Call you back. 5513 Marshall Street, continuous video of a torch down rubber roof. All done. Sealed out in the front, from the front to the back. Everything is completed. New capping, sealed out. Drain area done well. There's a basket in the drain so the leaves don't clog the drain. Chimneys are torched with rubber and wrapped and sealed out. Rear shed is done. Torched down rubber roof, capping and sealed out. Again, it's from back to front. Second chimney wrapped and sealed out all the way to the front of the house. One more complete roofing look. The walls are all sealed out real nice from front to the back.